Google Classroom is all about idioms. Now, idioms are sentences or phrases that people say that are sarcastic. It's not really what they're meaning, but they're kind of making a joke about it. So what you need to do is you need to read this sentence that's over the orange circle, and I also put a picture that matches the sentence. So let's look at the first one. It's raining cats and dogs. And I have a picture here of cats and dogs raining from the sky. Now, that's never going to happen. It doesn't actually rain cats and dogs from the sky. We all know it rains rain or water from the sky. So we need to figure out what it really means. I've given you this square over here that says hint. I'm giving you a picture hint about what this sentence actually means. Now I can see here it's a big storm cloud with rain coming down. When I say it's raining cats and dogs, that actually means that it's storming or raining really hard. So over top of this question mark, I'm going to double click so it turns blue. And then I'm going to type what that idiom actually means. I'm going to say it really means it is raining very hard. Okay, and then I go on to my next one. And again, I look at my sentence, that's my idiom, and I look at the picture that matches. Then I look at the hint picture down here. Once I have an idea about what that idiom actually means, I'll double click and write down my answer. When you get through all 10 of those, I guess there's 11. When you get through all 11 of those, please remember to turn it into your teacher so she can check you.